Hi everyone. This is Bhanuja. I'm currently working in a company in Noida as a full stack developer. So talking about the background, I do my BTech in computer science engineering, which just ended a month back, and I'm focused mainly on the full stack development, which includes the front end, back end, and some other data structures and things. And I think it's been a year me being in the company and working as full stack developer. So it's a roller coaster ride that's great to experience with new accomplishments, learnings all around. Yeah, I think that's all.
ओके, बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर होता क्या?
So basically, full stack developer is someone who is focused on front end as well as back end, making a complete application from starting from designing its UI to designing its data, designing the database, the architecture, and then integration between the database and front end is what a full stack developer is. Full stack is everything, like full stack, a complete application that you refer.
ओके, तो रोड मैप क्या होता है फुल स्टैक डेवलपर बनने के लिए?
So if you talk about roadmap, there are two parts. The main two parts. First is front end, then we have the back end. So if you are a person who is a back end person like I am, then you should start with back end. In back end, you can learn the database like Postgres, MongoDB, depending on what type of database you want to learn. Then after then we have the UI part. In UI, we have various technologies nowadays. Talking about React, which is a very good technology to work on. I am currently working on that. Then we have Angular, but the basic to all those is JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the very important part when you do a full stack development. Generally, people think that JavaScript, like we'll do React or Angular, but if you don't have a good base in JavaScript, you can never like get React or Angular right. So HTML, CSS is required for UI. React can help you in UI, but JavaScript is based your logic that will get into React and everything. And then you have the things like networking, connections between front end and back end, but it comes at a later stage. Firstly, you need to learn the basic two parts, that's front end and back end. So that's what it considers.
ओके, मैं बात करूँ स्किल्स के बारे में, तो कौन कौन सा स्किल चाहिए होंगे?
If we talk about skills, so starting from very base, firstly it's HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Like I say, the basic three things that every developer should learn, whether it's a full stack developer or any other developer. Then taking it forward, if you want to learn a UI, nowadays I think React is a very good language to learn. I personally prefer React a lot. It's easy to manage the things on React. Otherwise, we have Angular as well. In React, you have various libraries like Material and other libraries, or in Angular, you also have the Node modules. Then we also have then talking about the backend, you have Node.js to work on, and then in the backend we have MongoDB or Postgres. That's the skill set. One of the database you should definitely learn. That's the very basic skill set you know. And on the UI part, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then further on, what you want to pursue with. That's important.
ओके, मैं पैकेज के बारे में बात करूँ तो एवरेज पैकेज क्या मिल जाता है?
Average mine is 7. Freshers code, I think nowadays, if you talk about freshers, 6-7 is the average package that freshers got. 6-7 is good, average one, good average package.
ओके, यानी आपको कुछ टिप्स देना हो जो भी फ्रेशर है थर्ड ईयर या फोर्थ ईयर में, तो क्या टिप्स दोगे आप फुल स्टैक डेवलपर बनने के लिए?
So my first step should be that when generally, like I also have my juniors, I talk with them. So the first thing is that when we talk about placements, when we talk about campus placements, children generally run behind good packages or like something. I should say that when you are an initial stage, you are a fresher. It does not matter it's 6 or it's 13. If you have a skill, you can make that 6, 13 or 13 just a year. The thing matterable is that you should get into the IT industry first. You should get into the corporate life because that is going to give you exposure. People generally run behind opportunities and then they miss the opportunities that they already have. So that is one mistake that I didn't make, and I got placement at a very early age in my college. I got placed in third year only in the fifth semester, and then I can raise my package any day if I have that skill set. Okay, if you don't have that skill set, no matter how much you wait for the good opportunity, you can never get that. So first thing my tip would be go for what you have, grab it. Then other thing, talking about the skill sets or technologies, I would say learn data structures. It's very important. Full stack development does not involve data structures, but data structure is very important for a developer because it stimulates a mind to learn the logics or to build the logics. That is important every way. So you should firstly learn data structure and algorithm in a third year because every placements go with data structure and algorithm. And then if you want to make the good projects, go with the full stack development, learn React.js, learn MongoDB, learn things, and make good projects. The projects keep a very big importance and a very like weightage in your placements.
ओके, थैंक यू भानुजा। आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही रहने देते हैं।